Are you someone who is considering opening an eBay store but have so many questions like which store is right for you? What is the cost of opening an eBay store? When is the perfect time to get an eBay store? What are the benefits of having an eBay store? Listen, I get it. Lots of sellers are paying too much for listing fees or subscribing to stores too early. The goal here is to find a balance and minimize your cost. That is why in this video, I will answer these questions for you. And not only that, I'm going to provide you with much more related information, such as calculations and examples to help you become cost effective, which means lowering your costs to get to that break-even point faster or turn profitable. First, let's cover the first and most important question. What are the benefits of having an eBay store and how much are those benefits going to cost you? Well, there are several benefits to having an eBay store subscription, including increased visibility. You can organize your products in your store categories, in turn helping SEO optimization. Note that the subscription itself does not increase your listing's visibility. However, when you are optimizing your categories with the right keywords, this will support your listing's search rank. Next is branding opportunities. You can create a customized storefront that reflects your brand. This can help your brand recognition and loyalty among your customers, which is really important. Then we have access to marketing tools. eBay has tools that can help you promote your listings and drive sales, allowing you to create email marketing campaigns, offer promotions, and more. Also, analytics and insights, meaning you can track your performance and make informed decisions about your business. And of course, lower fees. eBay stores come with lower fees compared to selling without a store. You can take advantage of special offers and promotions that are only available to eBay store owners. Okay, so now that we are on the topic of fees, let's go ahead and go over the first two plans, which are fit for beginners. And then after that part, we will cover some of the bigger plans. So first you have the starter store, and this is for sellers with a handful of products that just want a storefront to start their brand and promote their business. Now, the cost is $7.95 a month on a monthly subscription, $4.95 a month for the yearly subscription. Now, this allows for 250 listings a month, auction and fixed price. All additional listings will cost you 30 cents. I recommend this as a starting point just until you get the hang of how eBay functions and all of their rules and regulations. And then you have the basic store subscription, which is $27.95 for the monthly subscription. And you get 1,000 fixed price listings a month with a 25-cent insertion fee for each additional listing. Now that we know eBay store subscription costs and how it can benefit you, how will you know when to actually upgrade from the free plan to the starter store or the basic store subscription? In this next part, I'll show you how to calculate so that we may minimize your expenses and break even faster. Before we do, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and like the video and subscribe because it does mean a lot to us. All right, timing is key. In order to know when it's time to get an eBay store subscription and picking out the right eBay store for you, we need to do some calculations. I know, I hate math as well. Okay, so let's say a new seller on eBay gets to list free of charge 100 listings. And for each additional listing, he will need to pay 30 cents. So if you wanted to list more than 125 items, let's say you want to list 250 items, you would have your free 100 listings plus 150 more listings, bringing you to 250, right? Well, 150 additional items is going to cost you an additional 30 cents for each, meaning 150 times 30 cents is an extra $45. So a better option for once you list over 125 items is subscribing to the starter store. For the starter store, you will pay $7.95 on a monthly subscription, $4.95 for the yearly subscription. You will get 250 free listings. Additional listings cost 30 cents. Now, the calculation goes like this. If you list 500 products on the starter plan, you will pay 30 cents for an additional 250. Meaning you will pay an extra of $75 while you have the option to subscribe to the basic store and only pay $27.95 for the monthly subscription, and you will get 1,000 free listings. So your break-even point between starter to basic will be 313 listings. An additional 63 listings on the starter plan with an extra 30 cents per listing will be $21 and the $7.95 of the store subscription. So if you plan to list over 315 products in the coming month, you definitely should upgrade to the basic store plan. Every seller needs to do these calculations to see when it is the best time to buy or upgrade the store subscription. Now you do the same math for any store. If you are reaching 3,000 active listings and plan for 6,000 listings, you do the math and you see if it is cost effective for you and if it will actually help you save money and not lose money. So now let's say you are ready to scale your business and list thousands of listings, but the cost of a bigger store subscription scares you. I get it. Let's go over the store subscription plans that allow you to list thousands of active listings. Let's go ahead and start with Premium. Premium will cost you $74.95 monthly renewal and $59.95 per month for yearly renewal, allowing up to 10,000 fixed price listings plus up to 500 auction style listings and an additional 50,000 fixed price listings in select categories. Then we have Anchor. Anchor is $349.95 a month for monthly renewal and $299.95 a month for yearly renewal. This cost goes towards 25,000 fixed price listings plus up to 1,000 auction style listings and an additional 75,000 fixed priced listings in select categories. Then we have Enterprise, which we won't get into in this video, but it's all the same concept. Now that you have that information, you can go back and look at the calculations to see where you stand with your e-commerce store currently. And this allows you to do the calculations for present store and check to see where you will need to be in order to scale. So we here at Zeek have a goal, and it's to educate our users, to give them the tools and knowledge to be able to understand and decide what is best for them. So let me share with you 4 tips that help me achieve profitability. One is develop a solid business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections to help you stay on track and measure progress. Then you want to use data analysis to find products. You can use tools like Zeek Analytics for that. And then you want to reverse engineer your best-selling items to learn what made them sell so well. Also, focus on delivering value to your customers, building strong relationships, and constantly striving to improve your products or services to ensure long-term success. All right, guys, overall, having an eBay store can help you establish a strong presence on the platform, build your brand, and grow your business. If you have any questions on this topic, please leave a comment down below in the comments section, or if you want us to do a video on a specific topic, let us know and we will do our best to provide that content. Thank you for being so great, and I wish you all the best of luck.